Hi Go Ho or Hi Robert. The rest we do in English. Happy to be back in Hong Kong. I'm for Acoustic Signature, a turntable manufacturer out of Germany. We are existing since 27 years in the southern part of Germany, close to Stuttgart. Stuttgart has 3 very famous worldwide companies. Number 1, Acoustic Signature. Number 2, Mercedes-Benz. Number 3, Porsche. In alphabetical order.
Yes.
Nevertheless, Acoustic Signature has 30 employees. We are doing everything in-house on our own machinery. Drilling, milling, blasting, anodizing. We have our own gold plating department. And for a company only producing turntables and tone arms, this is quite outstanding and unique. As I said, Gunther Frohnhofer is 27 years the founder of the company. He's our head of engineering as well as the CEO. We are starting our price point with the Maximus of about 30,000 Hong Kong dollars, and we are finishing top of the line with 1.4 million Hong Kong dollars. In between, we have a couple of different models. As I said, all in-house, all handmade, all coming for a lifetime use for the customer. We are doing only analog products, meaning the turntable, tone arms, cartridges, and some accessories. No amplifiers, no speakers, no cables, no nothing, just analog products. We do believe in certain technology points, meaning we are doing everything to make the sonical performance as good as possibly it can be. We have no idea of how quick the platter needs to speed up. For that you have a Technics SL1210. We do not have the intention of design, industrial design, like with different colors or a lighted or full automatic. For us, long-lasting and sonical performance is the most important. Meaning we are believing in heavy turntables, not in suspension, meaning thick platters, heavy weight. This is, for example, 140 kilos, but also the entry level is about 18 kilos. We believe in platter, we believe in belt-driven indirect, simply because when you have a direct-driven one, the hum of the motor is directly on the axle and therefore directly close to the cartridge, to the stylus. We do also believe in 12 volt or 24 volt technology, as when you have 240 volt in, you have the current hum. We do believe in, if you take this one off, in damping. We do believe as a platter, this is carbonic for damping down and for not having resonances. We do also believe in this one, the axle. This is a subteller. This is underneath here, you have motors, multi-motor technology. 1, 2, 3, 6. Why multi-motor? Because if you have a belt, the tension is always a little bit into one side. The more motors you have them always opposite. One is into this direction, one into that direction. If you have 3, then you do it 1, 2, 3 as a triangle. So the stability of axle is there, and with 6, of course, most stable. Additionally, any motor, if you have more motors, they are never equal fast. On 100,000 turns, there will be a little difference. The more motors you have, they will equalizing each other out. If one is a little too fast, the others are just continuing to be on the right speed. So we have silencer technology, different materials, brass and aluminum. Different materials is like in a house or in speakers. You have different materials shortening down the frequency response. There are plenty of more things which you can look at Richcom's website, which you can look at our website. There's also a company video showing all the machinery. We do have some videos how to set up the turntables. There you can see how to put platter together, how this is done, how that is done. Invite you to have a look at our website. Otherwise, please feel free to come at the Hong Kong International Convention Center for the show. See us in room 428. Thank you very much. Doce. Ngoi Sai.